Good morning. I'm going to see you in just shy of 2 days. My name is Rick Flynn, and I'll be helping to coach you, more importantly, helping you to learn your strategies for taking the SAT test in a way that's really efficient and accurate. And I'll also be helping you with the essays as well. I've been teaching English about 20 years and been working with the SAT on and off for about a year. I have a pretty good sense on how to tighten up the efficiency, some strategies we can learn, and then we'll also do a lot of brainstorming too. So a lot of what comes out of the class will come organically from our own critical thinking and discussions and group work. And at the end of the 2 week course, you'll have taken a couple of SAT tests, one piece by piece, and the final one in its entirety. You'll have written a few SAT essays, one with kind of an open clock, the other timed, and you'll have a good idea of the skills you have, the strategies you have, and the things you might need to work on between the end of this class and taking the formal SAT test. I look forward to this. It should be a lot of fun, and I'm sure you're all going to get a really strong feel and build some confidence and skill that will help you when you take that final SAT test. We'll see you in a couple of days.